If you need power but noise could be an issue, then you'd be hard-pressed to find a generator that will run as quietly as the ToolPRO range of suitcase-frame digital inverters. As the smallest of the two, the 1100-watt model is compact and easy to haul around, making this generator great for camping and for use in remote locations. With a noise output of only 55 decibels at 7 meters, this generator is seriously quiet, making it perfect for campsite use or anywhere else that you'd still like to hold a conversation. The 1100-watt peak power rating means that this generator can run your personal appliances, lighting and smaller power tools with no trouble. Like all the generators in the ToolPRO range, this one uses pure sine-wave technology, meaning that the generator is safe to use with your sensitive electronics, such as laptops, cameras and phones. The ToolPRO 1100-watt generator comes equipped with a single 240-volt AC power outlet, a 12-volt DC socket and two 5-volt USB ports, offering a lot of versatility. It's also equipped with a DC circuit breaker and safety indicator lights with auto shut-off for low oil and AC power overloads, so you know that you and your devices are well protected. If anything does go wrong, there are service centres all over Australia and New Zealand, as well as a dedicated hotline for diagnostics that can help you out. And all ToolPRO generators come with a 24-month warranty. If you need a compact and quiet generator for the campsite, then the ToolPRO 1100-watt suitcase generator is the perfect choice.